So what is the reticular activating system and how does it work? The reticular activating system, or RAS, is a small bundle of neurons about the size of your little finger. It sits on top of your spinal column and stretches upwards about 2 inches. All of our senses, except smell, send information to the RAS, which then decides what's important and what's not. Think of the RAS as a filter for your brain. We get bombarded with millions of bits of information every second of every day, and the RAS helps us focus on what matters most. It's responsible for things like our sleep cycle, consciousness, focus, and even our fight or flight response. For example, imagine you're at a party and it's really noisy. You're not paying attention to every conversation around you, but the moment someone says your name, you immediately hear it. That's your RAS at work, filtering in the important stuff and ignoring the rest. How does the RAS relate to the law of attraction? The RAS can help you focus on positive things, which is a key part of the law of attraction. When you focus on something, your RAS creates a filter for it and starts to look for information that matches that thought. If you focus on negative things, your brain, it will find more negative things to confirm your beliefs. But if you focus on positive things, your brain will find more positives. Now, did you know you can train your brain to manifest your desires? That's because you can train your RAS to help you manifest what you want in life. Here are a couple powerful techniques. Our first technique is visualization. Visualization is about creating a mental image of what you want to achieve. By vividly imagining your goals, you send a clear signal to your RAS about what's important to you. Your brain will then start to filter out the noise and look for ways to make that vision a reality. Secondly, meditation. Meditation helps you focus your mind and eliminate distractions. By meditating regularly, you can improve your ability to concentrate on your goals and keep your RAS tuned into what matters most to you. To better understand how the RAS can help you manifest your dreams, let's look at some real-life examples. Sarah always dreamed of getting a promotion at work. She started visualizing herself in the new role, imagining the responsibilities and the positive feedback from her boss. She also meditated daily, focusing on her strengths and her abilities. Soon, Sarah began noticing opportunities to demonstrate her skills, like taking on challenging projects or speaking up in meetings. Her RAS helped her filter in these chances, and eventually, she was promoted. Here's another example. Lisa aimed to improve her health and fitness. She imagined herself exercising regularly, eating nutritious foods, and feeling energetic. By meditating, she reinforced her commitment to a healthy lifestyle. Her RAS began highlighting relevant information, like new workout classes, healthy recipes, and even supportive friends who shared her goals. This made it easier for Lisa to stay on track and achieve her fitness aspirations. Now let's talk about putting it into practice. Imagine you were raised to believe that you need $1 million a year to support your family. Your brain would accept this as a fact and work hard to find ways to make it happen. It wouldn't see it as impossible, it would see it as necessary and would constantly look for opportunities to fill that financial gap. This same principle applies to anything you want to achieve. If you believe something is possible and focus on it, your RAS will help you find ways to make it happen. Try creating a clear vision. Spend a few minutes each day imagining your goals as if they've already been achieved. Use all your senses to make the vision as real as possible. Also, regular meditation. Set aside time each day for meditation. Focus on your breathing and gently bring your mind back to your goals if it starts to wander. And lastly, consistency is key. Practice visualization and meditation consistently for at least 30 days. The more you practice, the stronger your new mental habits will become. Thank you for joining us on this journey to unlock the power of your reticular activating system and the law of attraction. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on manifesting your dreams.